Hello, my name is Rudy Anguard. I'm Project Officer in Construction and Technical Standardization for ANEC. Today, I would like to introduce you to the standards on BIM, Building Information Modeling. So, what is BIM? We can refer to the definitions made by the following technical standardization bodies. The International Technical Subcommittee ISO TC 59 SC 13 defines BIM as use of a shared digital representation of a built asset to facilitate design, construction, and operation processes to form a reliable basis for decisions. For the European BIM Technical Committee, building information modeling is a way of structuring information about infrastructure and building information. BIM refers to the use of a shared digital representation of a built object to facilitate the construction process, to facilitate design, construction and operation processes to form a reliable basis for decisions. BIM links all the parameters of a construction. So, where do these definitions come from? We have an international technical subcommittee that contributes to the development of standards for the BIM technology. ISO TC 59 SC 13, Organization and Digitization of Information about Buildings and Civil Engineering Works, including Building Information Modeling. SC 13 is charged by TC 59 to focus on international standardization of information through the whole life cycle of buildings and infrastructure across the built environment. To enable interoperability of information, to deliver a structured set of standards, specifications and reports to define, describe, exchange, monitor, record and securely handle information, semantics and processes with links to geospatial and other related built environment information. And to enable object-related digital information exchange. With 8 working groups, this subcommittee has published 19 standards and 6 standards are under development. In European level, there is the technical committee CEN/TC 442, Building Information Modeling, with 18 published standards, from which 15 come from ISO TC 59 SC 13 and have been processed as European standards. This committee has 16 projects under development. The scope of CEN/TC 442 is standardization in the field of structured semantic lifecycle information for the built environment. The committee will develop a structured set of standards, specifications and reports which specify methodologies to define, describe, exchange, monitor, record, and securely handle asset data, semantics and processes with links to geospatial and other external data. CEN/TC 442 is organized in 9 working groups, and at the national level, we have 4 delegates who participate in the creation of the BIM standards. Now let's have a look at these standards published at the European level. 2 standards on the organization of information about construction works that fix framework for classification and for object-oriented information. 1 standard on industry foundation classes for data sharing in the construction and facility management industries on data schema. 2 standards on data structure for electronic product catalogs for building services with geometry and concept, architecture and model. 4 standards on information management using building information modeling, concepts and principles, delivery phase and operational phase of the assets, security-minded approach to information management. Then we also have 2 standards on information container for linked document delivery about exchange specification, 1 standard on building information modeling and other digital processes used in construction on methodology to describe, alter and maintain properties in interconnected data dictionaries, one standard on concepts and principles of data templates for constructions objects used in the life cycle of built assets, and two standards on building information models about information delivery manual, methodology and format, interaction framework. Finally, we have three publications directly created by CEN TC 442. One European standard on the level of information need, concepts and principles, and two technical reports. One on how to implement EN ISO 19650, parts 1 and 2 in Europe, and one for the implementation of exchange information requirements and BIM execution plans on European level based on the same standards. Now, you would like to know more about the content of these standards. How can you do? All published BIM standards can be consulted free of charge via one of the 9 reading stations put in place in Luxembourg. They are available in read-only mode with no obligation of buying. The reading stations are spread across the country to facilitate access to them. This is a good way to get acquainted with the standards in order to decide whether to purchase them or not. The BIM standards can also be purchased via ILNAS eShop. You can find them among other national, European and international standards, and they are available in PDF format with one user or multiple simultaneous users license. There is also a possibility to contribute to the development of BIM standards. You need to register as a delegate in National Mirror Committee in order to contribute to the standards of CEN TC 442 and ISO TC 59 SC 13, and participate actively in the European and international working groups. For your information, the registration is free of charge in Luxembourg and can be done via a registration form available on our website. You can also benefit from freely available video trainings on our YouTube channel, including one dedicated to our new delegates in standardization. The standard analysis of construction sector is always available on our website. The link is in the description. We have reached the end of this presentation. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions regarding the presentation, the use, consultation or purchase of standards, feel free to contact us by phone or via email. Goodbye.